Welcome to the Lantern Light AI Newscast number 37. Tech, Drones, and Turning Back Time. Made by Chris Morley, in Boston on Friday, May 15, 2026 at 8:25 p.m. UTC. Mount Sinai scientists say they've found a way to reverse aging in blood stem cells, while researchers unveil solar glass that can quietly power the devices around you. Meanwhile, smart IoT and edge computing are reshaping whole industries. OpenAI and Anthropic have wrapped a rare joint safety review, and the drone world is buzzing with Wingtra's new WingtraRAY surveyor and a fleet of autonomous platforms making waves at UMEX 2026. Leading off, the latest in regenerative medicine and stem cells. Scientists at the Icahn School of Medicine at Mount Sinai have successfully reversed aging in blood-forming stem cells in mice by repairing defects in structures called lysosomes. The findings, published this week, could open new paths toward treating age-related blood disorders in humans, though researchers cautioned that further studies are needed before clinical applications become possible. Separately, Cedars-Sinai researchers are working toward what could become the first cell therapy approved for Duchenne muscular dystrophy, with regulatory submissions potentially on the horizon this year. Together, these advances signal a broadening momentum across regenerative medicine, from restoring youthful stem cell function to targeting rare inherited diseases. Next, a major story from the world of transparent solar cell technology. Researchers have demonstrated transparent solar cells thin enough to be embedded in car windows, sunroofs, and smart glasses lenses, harvesting ambient light to charge batteries and power built-in electronics. The technology uses photovoltaic materials that remain see-through, meaning the glass functions normally while quietly generating electricity. Scientists say the approach could extend the battery life of wearables and reduce how often electric vehicles need to plug in. Commercial applications are still in development, and researchers have not yet confirmed a timeline for mass production. Up next, a headline from across science and technology. Smart manufacturing is accelerating its adoption of edge computing and intelligent IoT systems, with industry analysts pointing to a wave of deployments that took hold through early 2026. Factories are integrating IoT sensors alongside AI-powered quality control and predictive maintenance tools, reducing reliance on centralized cloud processing by handling data closer to where it is generated. The shift has drawn significant attention from both hardware vendors and software providers, as reflected in CRN's Edge Computing 100 list and the IoT Evolution World Excellence Awards, which recognized breakthrough solutions at the intelligent edge. Analysts expect industrial adoption to keep expanding across manufacturing, logistics, and energy sectors through the rest of the year. Coming up, more on AI safety evaluations. OpenAI and Anthropic published findings last August from a first-of-its-kind joint safety evaluation in which each company tested the other's AI models for misalignment, hallucinations, jailbreaking, and failures to follow instructions. The collaboration marked the first time two leading AI laboratories formally assessed each other's systems for safety risks rather than relying solely on internal reviews. Researchers said the effort highlighted both measurable progress and persistent challenges in detecting model misalignment. The two companies described the pilot as a foundation for broader cross-industry safety standards, though neither announced a follow-up evaluation timeline. After that, one more story from the lab and the field. Swiss drone maker Wingtra has introduced the WingtraRAY, a new fixed-wing aerial vehicle designed to push the limits of surveying and mapping operations. The aircraft targets professional geospatial applications where range, accuracy, and efficiency in complex environments are priorities. Separately, UK-based drone specialist GeoQ announced a partnership to integrate lidar sensors with aerial software solutions, giving survey teams more precise three-dimensional data capture from a single workflow. These developments reflect a broader push across the industry to move autonomous aerial systems beyond basic photography and into high-value professional data collection, a market that continues to attract new hardware and software partnerships in 2026. Closing out today's program, The Drone Center successfully coordinated live demonstrations of 2 autonomous aerial platforms at UMEX 2026 last week, showcasing the Quantum Systems Trinity Pro and the DJI Fly Cart 100. The Fly Cart 100 is designed for heavy-lift cargo delivery, while the Trinity Pro is built for long-endurance reconnaissance missions. The demonstrations highlighted growing industry confidence in autonomous drone systems for both commercial and security applications. Separately, researchers recently disclosed a critical security vulnerability affecting autonomous drones, raising concerns about how such systems could be compromised in real-world deployments. The findings underscored the need for stronger cybersecurity standards as autonomous aerial platforms move into wider operational use.
Today's program is brought to you by Lantern Light AI. Please note that Chris Morley is a seasoned software architect currently available for inquiries seeking help using AI to build, run and maintain modern web applications, cloud systems, databases, streaming data pipelines, search engines, interactive 3D graphics as well as other high-performance software services at scale. If the avatar or the newscast format interests you and you would like to see something like this customized for your business use case, please email Chris Morley at chris.morley@lanternlight.ai. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe and share with your friends. More science, tech and AI news coming soon. Thanks for watching.